Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am Rashawn, one half of Not Your Mama's Greens, and I'm back again with a cook with me. And today we got buffalo cauliflower wings. And I know we ain't do no cauliflower yet on this channel, y'all don't think. So I'm gonna give y'all a banger. Y'all ain't gonna go outside. Get ready for it. Got the ingredients first. Alright, so for the ingredients, can't do it without a cauliflower head. So we got a whole cauliflower. Then for our wet mixture, we got the almond, silk, milk. Then we got the ground black pepper, got some paprika, love paprika. And we got onion powder and a little garlic powder. And then for the dry mixture, that's all you need, right? And a lot of panko breadcrumbs in the grocery store will have milk in it, so make sure you get one that just has, you know what I'm saying, wheat flour, yeast, salt, sugar. 4 or 5 ingredients is what you need, but I got the Kikkoman breadcrumbs for the breading. Last thing, we got the buffalo wing sauce. We got Sweet Baby Ray's this time. Usually we get a different one, but I saw this one. I don't usually see Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce in the store, so I got it this time. It does not have any milk, no soy. I think it contains soy, but no dairy products. So this will be a gluten-free but soy recipe. So the first part of this recipe will be to get the cauliflower chopped up into our wing-looking cauliflower bits. So once I get it chopped up, I'll show you what my final product looks like when I'm done cutting it up. Alright, so for our wet mixture, this is what we're going to be using for the base. Got almond milk with the silk original. Make sure you got the original. We're going to pour about 1.25 cups in there. You know what I'm saying? Then we're going to season it very well. We got onion powder. Do a few shakes of that in there. Got some garlic powder. Do the same thing. Shake it up. Do some paprika. I love this part. Ooh, look at that, boy. That color. Beautiful. Throw a little bit more. Let me got some black pepper. Very important that your wet mixture is seasoned. So I forgot to introduce the flour when I was naming the ingredients, but this will give the wet mixture a nice thickness. So you're gonna get this mixed up with your almond milk with the silk, just until it's a nice thick consistency, much like a buttermilk batter, like you would for some buttermilk chicken. I'm gonna need a whisk for this, most definitely, but once this is mixed up, I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so we got this nice and mixed up. Had to add a lot more flour to get it to that pancake mix consistency. That's exactly where you want it. You want it just like that and seasoned. Alright, so we're getting our panko, our Kikkoman panko in here. So you can get that in there after we dip it in our wet mixture. You did. Alright, so we have our sheet ready, our baking sheet with our parchment paper ready, nice and ready. Got our oven preheated to 450. You know what I mean? So we got our buffalo wings. We're gonna go ahead and dip it in that wet mixture, get it nice and coated, right? See that? Nice and coated. And we're gonna throw this in that panko. Alright? Get it covered, nice and covered in that panko so we can be nice and crispy. Toss that around. You're just gonna set that nicely on the parchment paper. Simple. Last one. This is what your baking sheet should look like whenever you're done. You know what I'm saying? Alright, gonna toss these in this motherfucker for like 20 minutes. We're gonna take them out and then we're gonna sauce them. Alright, so we're gonna take our Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce and dump it in a bowl. Bow. So, time to take these buffalo wings out. See them in now. Ooh, they crispy. They looking nice in now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and snatch these wings out and dip each one in our buffalo Sweet Baby Ray's wing sauce. Look at that, beautiful. All right, we're gonna start with this big one over there in the counter. Give her a little dip and a little toss. Come on now, turn. There we go. And throw her right back on that baking sheet. She ain't done. I'm gonna do this to all of them. Just like that. Alright, this is what your pan should look like once you're done saucing them down, getting them dipped in that sauce. Yeah. Almost took out a whole bottle of the Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce, but just about enough. Just about like half a cup left in there. So we're gonna throw these in for about 20-25 more minutes. And then they're gonna be done. You smell that? It smells like, oh! It smells like, yeah, that's hot. It smells like hot sauce, right? It's spicy in here. This buffalo cauliflower is hitting me in my chest right now, and I'm loving it. Can't wait to try these buffalo cauliflower wings. You hear me? Oh, I cannot. That's too hot. I can't. Alright, so I wasn't playing. This is actually like really hot. We're gonna let this cool down. Might be like 10 minutes. We're gonna come back and give you the taste test. It's gonna taste good though. Yeah, I already know. Okay, you see that? It's nice and crispy. It held. It's not sticking. We got that parchment paper that's helping us out right there. I love that. We're gonna take a bite of this. That right there. That right there. It's crispy. It's spicy. It's cauliflower. It's amazing. I don't know how you can't really get no better than that. Wow. That's good. Whoa. It just kicked me in my chest too. I like that. I finished that whole wing, ladies and gentlemen. But thank you for joining me on this cook with me. You know what I'm saying? We made some buffalo cauliflower wings. I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all have any comments, questions, concerns, put it in the comment box below. You know what I'm saying? We'll get to you. And make sure to give it a thumbs up, because you know what I'm saying? We doing this. We doing this out here. This is good, alright? Don't lack. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so when we post a video, it's going straight to your phone. I'm gonna tear these up. I'll see y'all in the next one. And don't forget, if you're in the Chattanooga area, hit us up for a meal prep if you want to get, you know what I'm saying, in touch with our meals and in touch with our food, and we can give you this real customized, so we're going to give you what you like. Hit us up.